Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Home with Sherry. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm making my all-time favorite egg wrap. Honestly, if I could only eat one meal for the rest of my life, this would probably be it. It's simple, quick, filling, and so delicious. Today is just my husband and me because the kids are spending some time at Grandma's. So we are enjoying a nice quiet house while making ourselves a little lunch. Let's get started. First, I gathered all of my ingredients. This is a really simple meal, but I absolutely love it. I always start by spraying my frying pan with cooking spray so the eggs won't stick. Then I add a generous tablespoon of margarine. You can definitely use butter if you prefer. I know some of you might be wondering, why both cooking spray and butter? Honestly, it's just what works for my pans. I find the eggs stick if I don't use both, so this is the method I've stuck with. Next, I chopped up about a half to a third of an onion. I already had part of an onion in the fridge, so I used that up. I love using what I already have before opening something new. The onions will saute for about 4 to 5 minutes until they're nice and soft. While those are cooking, I crack my eggs into a bowl, scramble them up, and add a little salt and pepper to taste. Don't forget to keep stirring the onions every so often so they won't stick or burn. I also wanted to show you my egg tray. I picked it up on Amazon. This isn't sponsored or anything, it's just something I really enjoy using. It keeps my fridge looking neat and organized, and I think it's so handy. Next, I cut up some marbled cheese into little cubes to mix with the eggs. You can use whatever cheese you like. Cheddar, mozzarella, Monterey Jack, whatever you have on hand. You'll probably notice that I like to clean up as I go. I always try to put ingredients away after I use them. It just makes cleanup at the end so much easier. Now I'm grabbing some cooked ham cubes from the freezer. I think these were leftovers from the Easter dinner we hosted. It's so nice having cooked ham ready to go because it's perfect for recipes like this, or even homemade pizza later on. I especially love the spiral ham from Costco because it gives us lots of leftovers to freeze for easy meals. I sauteed a ham with the onions for about a minute just to warm it through. While that's cooking, I get my wraps ready on the counter. Now it's time to pour in the egg mixture. I stir it frequently so it cooks evenly and doesn't stick to the pan. Okay, I have a question for you. Does anyone else rinse their spoon between stirring the eggs? Or is that just me? Let me know in the comments because I've always wondered if anyone else does that. Once the eggs are fully cooked, I divide the mixture between the two wraps and fold them up burrito style. Then I place the wraps back into the frying pan to toast them until they're nice and golden on each side. Just when I thought I was finished, I remembered I had some cooked bacon left over from yesterday in the fridge. So I tossed that into the pan to warm up while the wraps were crisping. Once everything is golden and heated through, I plate them up, cut each wrap in half, and divide the bacon between the two plates. Bon appetit, or as the internet likes to say, bon appetit. I usually like to serve these with a slice of tomato sprinkled with a little salt and pepper. It goes perfectly with the egg wrap. So good. And that's it. The entire lunch took me about 13 minutes from start to finish, which is one reason why I make it so often. If you enjoyed spending a little time with me today, I'd love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Simple Home with Sherry and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite quick lunch to make at home? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.